Hi Marcos, this is Michela. I spoke with you on the phone earlier, and as mentioned, I have just a quick video to go over your website with you, show you how to get new leads, and discuss your overall online presence with you today, okay? So to start, I do have a background with digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks for three specific aspects when ranking websites along their platform. Number one, and probably the most important for organic movement of your website, is going to be content. And content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your site. And I see just a little here, and that's it. So not a lot of content. So let me tell you why content is so important, as well as give you an example. So anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as your number one search option. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet and finds these content-rich sites and naturally starts moving them up the rankings. So knowing that, I would recommend about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone. That's going to both outrank your competition for content as well as get you seen by Google on any search platform. Also, what we recommend is for every service that you offer, it has its own special page on your website. In doing so, this does two things. One, it gets more content on your page, right? So for every additional page you have, it has anywhere between 750 to 1,000 words of content, as well as ranking for appropriate keywords. So a keyword is anything that gets put into a Google search bar. So if people type in steam cleaning near me or steam cleaning in the area that you live in, you'll want to be found for that. So if you have that content in your text on your website, then you will be found for those searches and be shown as a possible option to the people in your community, which is what we want, right? We want our business name and information to be in front of as many people as possible. That's going to get our exposure rate up, as well as get a lot more new clients seeing our information and up our chances of getting new clientele. So I'm going to tell you about the next thing, which is citations. And I just did a basic Google search here for carpet cleaning in the area you live in. And the very first thing that pops up is the Google map. With this, these top three competitors are going to get the most business because they're visible. Again, visibility is what we want. So how do we secure a top spot here? We get citations. And a citation is anywhere that your business name, location, and phone number appear in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. And the more of those we get, the higher up this rank we go until we secure a top spot. Now, I will tell you that the top competitor probably has a couple hundred citations, so we're going to need quite a few to beat our competition, but it's definitely doable and something that I can obviously talk through the process with you if it's something you're interested in, or tell you how many your competition has if that's information you would like to know. Next, we're going to talk about the last part, which is backlinks. And a backlink is anywhere that your business website shows up as a clickable link on another business's website. So think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. Getting a backlink on good trusted websites is going to throw a lot of influence back to our website. And in doing so, Google is going to see us as a trusted site as well and start showcasing our business to the people who are doing the searches. So that obviously gets your exposure up that way as well. So again, just a quick recap. Let's do about 1,500 words of content on your home page so Google can find you when it does the sweep of the internet. Let's get every service that we offer its own special page on our site with anywhere between 750 to 1,000 words of content with appropriate keywords for our area and for those services. Let's get a lot of citations, move up this GMB, or get a GMB if we don't have one, and then secure a top spot on this list. That way we get full exposure to clientele with our business. And then let's add a bunch of backlinks to good quality, trusted websites and get a lot of influence pointing back to our site. Well, I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. If it's not too much trouble, send me a quick email. Tell me your thoughts about this video. But that's all I have for now. I'll be in touch soon, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.